So guys, let me explain something about copy trading and bot trading. So make sure you have your Binance account and you have some capital, and the bots will be using because they are free, and copy trading is on RunQuilly. So make sure you register with RunQuilly and you start using automated bots to trade and execute your trade using automated bots. So these are the trading bots. There are a lot of them. Mine are locked right now, but you can see the profits margin are high. Always check the pluses before you execute any trade. Remember, withdrawal is very instant. Do the right thing, and you will enjoy trading with these bots. They are automated bots, so nothing to worry. So I was to talk about copy trading because this is new. Copy trading because this is new. So I have two active trades. Let me stop them because this was just for some tutorial, and you can see I didn't make any profit. I just choose random bots, but I'll be sharing my code if I start trading, so that is in a few, and you can discover some bots. These are for RunQuilly to guide you, and there are so many traders. Let's see, you can see the codes. You just come and copy the codes, then you go and paste it in your trading. You can see like this one is running at a profit of 894, 46, 956, 767. You can see the profits margin are high. Also be guided that there is losses in this copy trading, so you don't copy a losing trade. So we'll be starting copy trading in a few. I'll be sharing the code for those who are interested. Remember, I analyze everything. All you need is to come here on share, then you join. You just join. You enter code, the code that I'll send. You enter. You set the amount. You can set a stop loss or a take profit. Let me show you. Let me show you like this one. You click on copy, then you copy. You copy this one. Then let's go back. You come here on share. You enter code. You enter your code. You click set. You enter amount, let's say like 1,000, then you set your stop loss. So it is only stop loss, because the profit are controlled by the bots. So you only set a stop loss. After that, you send a join request, so the trader will either approve or decline your request. But if you get the code, make sure you text me so that I can get updated and approve your join request, so they'll appear here. I'm going to make one trade in some moment, and I'll make it a full day. I'll find a bot that is running for at least a longer time, so that many of you can join and benefit with this copy trading. So I'm doing the donkey work for you. Don't make sure you don't miss. So this is what I wanted to talk for now, and I'll do more on the bots. Then we see how it will go. Good day, my people. Have a profitable day.